So hello friends, welcome to Romcart. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the Realtek audio driver issue in Windows 11. So here I have HP Pavilion gaming laptop and here I am facing a problem which is the volume up down function does not work. So this feature basically does not work. I mean it does not respond if I turn up the volume or turn down. The volume remains the same. Let me show you what exact the problem is. So I am playing an audio. So it is now on max. But you can see I have turned it to 2%, but still the audio volume is same. Even if I do this from here, you can see the volume only decreases when I select the mute option. Basically the volume up and down is not working. So how to fix this? Click on start button, then search for device manager, go to device manager and here search for sound, video and game controllers, which is basically this option. Now here you will get a lot of options, but you have to search for Realtek audio drivers, Realtek high definition audio, whatever you see here. Just right click on it, then go to properties, click on drivers. Here you can try updating the driver once by clicking update drivers. If it does not work, then what you have to do, just click on update driver, then browse my computer for drivers, then let me pick from a list. Here you have to click on high definition audio drivers. So this is the only fix that I could find. So here instead of clicking to Realtek, click on high definition audio device, then click on next. It will warn you, but you have to click on yes. Now after this, close this window and it may inform you to restart your computer. You may click on yes. Now after the restart, you will notice that the volume up and down feature is working and you can see it is currently on 18% and the volume is too low. Then if I gradually increase the volume, you will notice so it has started working again. So this is how you can fix your Realtek audio drivers on Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I make PC and Android related videos. If you are interested, you can join my channel membership. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.